here is Too Good To Go app, which is getting more and more traction. It's a really cool app, easy to use, but when you get on it, you can get really hooked with this app. And it's also, you can help to fight food waste and grow towards sustainability and all of that. And this app recently is in top charts of App Store, and it's winner of 2023 App Store Awards. So how this works, basically, it's like a marketplace app where on the one side you are as a customer, and on the other side there are supermarkets and restaurants. So basically, imagine that in supermarkets they have some kind of bread or some products in the end of the day which will basically expire tomorrow, and then they just won't put them on the shelves or whatever. So they just add them. They just add them in this app, and let's just open it up. So here's how it looks like. You just enter your location, create a free account, and then you will see, all right, so this restaurant or this supermarket has some bag where they just put some leftover bread or something with a very, very cheap price. So it can be like sometimes it can be like 20% of original price, because the bread is gonna expire soon or something like that, and it's a really great discount. So the cool point about this app is that you can really save a lot of money, and the product itself is still kind of okay. So of course it's not like the first freshness products, but they are still kind of good. They can expire in a week or something, or something happened to them. Or in some restaurants, if they just use the products, they don't want to throw it out, and then they just put it out for a symbolic price and you can get it. Now there is a concept here with a lucky bag where you just don't know what will be there, and you just pay like a fixed price. By the way, these are the prices in Danish krona, which is around like $3, $5. So this is a range of, you can get like $10, $20. So for example, some sushi restaurant can have like leftover sushis. Of course, they just made it. I hope they didn't serve them, for example, but it just depends on each restaurant. But anyhow, and then they just, all right, we don't want to throw it up. We can just put them out for like $10, like the full sushi plate or something, which can be like quite cheap. And then you just have it there, and you just put it up for $10, like the full sushi plate, and then you can just get it. But it's called like a lucky bag. Sometimes you can get like the full sushi setup, which normally costs like $50. You can get it for $5-10. But sometimes they can just put some few buns there, and maybe then it's not worth it. But it's a cool app. It's just basically you enable your location and you can see all the restaurants around you, all the shops, everything, where you can just save some money and also contribute to sustainability and food waste and all of things like that, where you just have it. You can also then just browse and again just see in your area what's there. So yeah, and then you can just pick it up, especially from some hotels, from supermarkets, from some like chains. So yeah, stuff like that, pretty cool. And then you can just get it. The food is still good. The sandwich, it can be in espresso house. They have all these sandwiches which is prepared in the morning to the end of the day. They didn't sell all of them, and then it just goes to good to go, because it's kind of okay sandwich. Of course, it's not the first freshness, but you can still kind of eat it like and don't pay, and you can just pay for it like $2 or something, like $1 or like I don't know, like it just depends on the prices in your city, but it will be much cheaper than original price. And some pizza places. So yeah, of course, if you really enjoy the first freshness food and high quality stuff, then maybe this app is not for you. But yeah, that's what it is. And then you can just add your favorites, and then here is your account. You can see your impact on CO2, how much food waste you save, your orders, Settings, if you want to delete your account, you can always go and delete your account here in the bottom. You can set up your dietary preferences, just to be sure, set up different locations. So you can just also have here some hidden stores which are specific to certain corporate partnerships and can be accessed by the general public. So you can just add that. So yeah, that's what it is. So there you have it. Pretty cool app. Definitely give it a try. And it was built, I guess, in Denmark. I'm just showing you prices in Danish kronos, but it's just spreading around the world. It's open up in Canada, in US, and it's in top charts in United States right now, especially in the bigger cities. So definitely give it a try.